I am Heather with WTI. I'm in our little reading corner because I need to show you our favorite series ever. These books by Mo Willems are our favorites. So I am speaking for the two little ones and for me because I love how he writes. He will, well, first of all, award-winning left and right. He writes about these two Elephant and Piggie buddies. They couldn't be more opposite. One tends to be a little negative. One tends to be happy all the time. I can't help smiling. And just a lot of good, like an example in this set, which is a bargain, by the way. My Friend is Sad. It will try to encourage each other on how to make your friend feel happy and delve into their feelings. I could go on and on about these, but should I share? Learning about different foods. I like slop. First, they're just like totally grossed out by what the other one would eat. Thank you book. There's probably a listing of these somewhere, but there are 25 in this set. Just tons of stories. Our little one loves to stay up late reading. When he's reading, we feel like it's a positive, good thing for him to do. If yours are too little to read it to them. It is wonderfully illustrated. Every single one of them comes with some little bookends too, which is really, really thoughtful because this is a lot of books. This happens to be my favorite because there's a little treat at the end that I won't tell you, but that's my favorite one. Anyway, a lot of fun. Hope you love them. So if you want that perfect story for you and your kids, the Elephant and Piggie books are a big deal. Hope you adore these books like we do, and that's my point of view.